doon. Ayan, nandito tayo sa Plitvice National Park. O kung tawagin nila ay Plivice National Park. We're part of the tour with Anastasia's. So dito sa pagpasok na to, there's a lot of construction happening. So medyo maingay pagpasok. Nakita nyo may crane and ang daming ginagawa. So mapapansin mong dinidevelop talaga siya. Ayan, kasama ko ang pinsan ko. So we're here at Plivice National Park. Plivice National Park. Tapos pagpasok pa lang makaka-selfie ka na. Ang ganda. Beautiful. So to get to the park, kailangan natin mag-cross dito sa bridge na to. Yung iba na may problema sa pag-akyat sa hagdan, they just cross the street below this bridge. Asin tarik ka rito. At syempre, mag-picture ulit tayo dito. Ayan, makikita na yung nagdadaan ng mga sasakyan sa ilalim ng bridge. Another selfie with Kasin. So itong park na ito is na i-consider nila na best national park sa Europe. So of course, we're so excited to explore this place. Yan, kung dati ka pa sa channel ko, alam mo naman, napakahilig ko sa nature. Bago tayo mag-start
we are here
hike natin,
at
we gotta check out the trail
Plivice National Park
right
in
here.
Croatia.
Meron silang ilan dito sa harapan.
Look at that, many
So,
falls.
for now, let's pay attention to our guide.
That would be the name of our national park. And the bear is the symbol of this place. Because the brown bear lives in the mountain around here. Of course, luckily, has not stayed enough to never come close to the people or the villages because the area.
So, we're about to hike and explore the park. And let's get started. Siyempre, pag mag-hike, dapat comfortable shoes, magdala kayong hat, sunglasses, at siyempre, make sure maglagay rin kayo ng sunblock.
Alin?
Ang ganda.
Beach.
Yes.
Amazing. Amazing.
Stunning view. You're like deep in Croatia and every step feels like a postcard. You wake up in Split and end up the day chasing waterfalls at Plitvice. Plivice National Park is so amazing. Stunning view. It's all worth it. Look at that. Look at that emerald water.
Look at this.
By the way, we are part of this amazing group of people. We were led by Father Joffrey Baraan.
Creation. That is so amazing.
Babe, babe, andito magandang view oh. Babe, andito magandang view oh. Ito magandang view, saan ka pupunta? Pangit. Dito oh. Ito magandang view oh.
Beautiful.
Hi.
Where are you?
Ha,
National Park?
National Park. Ano yun? Ang pangalan nun? Jezero.
It's a birthday lady.
Yung view? Hindi.
Ay, ganda ninyo!
Thank you.
Please, you want to do together? I'll take a picture.
Just press here. Sure.
Put that here?
Yeah, just press there.
Thank you so much.
No one with me.
I saw you, a friend of mine.
Thank you, sir.
I said, buddy,
We have toilet, okay? In 2 minutes.